Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Hot 40i, and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but no worries, because this operation looks pretty similar in all other browsers which are commonly used, so I'm pretty sure that you will be able to find and recreate the steps. So as I said, let's open the browser and then tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. And now if you want a really quick and not really that deep clear option, simply tap on clear browsing data and you will remove, for example, visited websites, etc. However, if you want to perform a deep clean, simply enter the history and tap on the clear browsing data. And right here we've got some basic options which will appear in this kind of a shortcut option I've explained to you before. So browsing history, cookies, inside data, and cached images and files. In a deep clean, we will have also the saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. If you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked, so I will remove everything. We can also change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 4 weeks or even all time. So simply tap on it and then tap on clear data, and as you can see, the history is empty, which simply means that we just successfully removed actually everything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.